Maybe yes. I pay for do it tomorrow.
Okay.
I beg to mention item number 12. Lordship will kindly see, this matter is fixed as first item. The understanding was that the matter will be taken at 10:30, but Lordship has had to sit in a different division bench. I have no objection. The other side counsel has also come from Delhi. The other day, they said that he will be appearing and he will take about 1.5 hours. This was his submission. So my submission is that Lordship may take up the matter today. My reply may be taken up tomorrow, Lordship, because I have a flight to Bombay and Ahmedabad this afternoon. I will come back tomorrow morning. My colleagues will be here. They will note down the submissions.
When will you submit? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Lordship. Tomorrow by 12:30, I can appear before this. I'll take half an hour time, not more than that. I'm well prepared with the case.
I don't know whether you should go ahead.
I think the request is being made on the premise that I'll take 1:30, I'll cut it to 1. Then that half an hour remaining, the learned AG can take, we'll try and conclude.
Why not have it on Monday instead then? If both parties are free.
I have no difficulty on
There
this.
is some difficulty. I have a partner before the Honorable Supreme Court on Monday. At least if I can start, Manoj, I'll try and conclude in 1 hour maximum.
The thing is that next week this bench is not available. So you will conclude, but that
Judgment part.
the judgment part will remain.
Yes.
So I don't want to leave it here and there. This is the problem.
I'll take only half an hour tomorrow. By 1 o'clock, it will be over.
Next week, you have it next week, anytime.
Monday. Yeah, in that case.
No, he has some part, he say.
On Monday, it's not possible.
Wednesday,
Will it
Tuesday,
be possible
Wednesday.
if I can at least, I'm sorry, I'm pushing for it, but if I can argue and then learned AG whenever convenient can argue, Manoj.
No, it doesn't work that way.
It doesn't work.
With this court.
Can it be
Today,
tomorrow?
when somebody tomorrow.
Can it be tomorrow? Then I can at least stay back for tomorrow. Can it be tomorrow? Both of us can
Yes,
argue
Lord.
tomorrow and we can conclude it.
Yes.
If that is fine, my lord, if that is suitable for me. I'm sorry for the push, my lord. The only thing is there's some difficulty next week, Monday, Tuesday, 2 days. Tomorrow is convenient. We can have it tomorrow. I'll take maximum 1 hour, 10
What is
minutes.
the situation tomorrow? For team matter. Yes, correct. There's one other administrative thing in there. All these issues are.
As I understand, I leave
Tomorrow
it.
again, I'm hard pressed because the afternoon I have some administrative
I
work
understand.
for that reason.
We leave it to my lord. I mean, I won't push beyond the point, my lord.
I would suggest that if you parties can agree to having a date in next week. Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll give you a date,
Then Tuesday, Lordship.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, my lord. Tuesday works.
Then let it be taken up. In fact, I can leave at 3 o'clock. Till 3 o'clock, I can be in the court.
I'll conclude by 2:30 maximum. I'll try and conclude by 2:30. 3 o'clock, learned AG can complete. There's
No.
something more to in rejoinder I'll add.
You have any problem on Tuesday? Tuesday is a hearing date anyway,
Tuesday the 9th, my lord.
9th. Yes, 9th.
9th shall work, my lord. 9th.
9th as the first item.
Lordship.
9th, there is no
Lordship.
problem.
Due to certain inconvenience, the matter cannot be taken up today, although the matter is fixed.
Well, I'm sorry. Instead of Tuesday, can it be Thursday? If that is convenient.
No, difficult, Lordship. That's the. I am going away again. on
As agreed to by the parties, let the matter be listed on Tuesday.
Right.
For admission hearing. Yes,
Development.
Plus, the interim may continue till.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till then. You
Grateful.
write as a first item,
Grateful.
Highly authorized, sir.
as the first item in the motion, in the admission column.
Grateful, my lord. Deeply
Yes.
grateful.